At the Biologix Center for Optimum Health, we believe in the power of synergy, which is why we provide synergistic programs of care. These carefully coordinated treatments and complementary therapies work together strategically to create a gentler yet more powerful healing effect than any single treatment could achieve alone. Our approach begins with the core protocol, a fundamental therapy that ensures proper structural integrity within the body's organ systems. Using our innovative, real-time BES-guided testing, our doctors customize remedies and treatments designed to restore the energetic circuits of your body, similar to flipping on all the circuit breakers in your house. This process eliminates much of the chaos typical in multi-system chronic illnesses, setting the stage for more effective and targeted treatments later on. The synergy of therapies can be seen in how we combine treatments to enhance their effectiveness. For instance, the Beamer mat, which improves microcirculation, can be paired with nutritional IV therapy to help deliver vital nutrients more deeply and efficiently to your tissues and cells. Therapies like EBOO, a powerful treatment that uses gentle filtration, UV light, oxygen, and ozone to cleanse and revitalize the blood, may be combined with our infrared sauna therapy. Specially selected infrared waves penetrate the body up to 4.5 inches, targeting stubborn heavy metals and chemical toxins stored in the fat cells and tissues. This deep-reaching therapy boosts lymphatic drainage, effectively enhancing detoxification at the cellular level. Your healing is further supported by our expert therapeutic massage therapists, who use biodynamically prepared ointments to restore optimal function in organs, muscles, and the lymphatic system while aiding in toxin and microbe release. The ST8 machine is another vital component of our Synergy program. It targets key lymphatic drainage points, liquefying old gelatinous lymph fluid. This process is often paired with Valkion singlet oxygen therapy, promoting cellular energy and vitality. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy, or HBOT, is a powerful addition to your Synergy program, flooding your body with high levels of oxygen that penetrate deep into tissues, helping kill anaerobic microbes, boosting energy, and promoting lymphatic drainage. We often pair HBOT with low-level laser therapy, which enhances mitochondrial function, relieves pain, and further increases your body's energy. INPT-induced native phage therapy, available exclusively at the Biologix Center, is a key component of our program. This groundbreaking treatment mobilizes native phages, friendly viruses, naturally occurring within your body to precisely target specific infections and eliminate them without side effects, such as Herxheimer reaction. INPT is most effective when combined with the rest of the treatments in our program, which all aim to support your immune system in controlling or eliminating residual infections. Throughout your journey, we emphasize the importance of ongoing education, empowering you to maintain optimal health long after your treatments. Our doctors regularly publish articles, blogs, and podcasts to provide greater understanding and practical knowledge, helping you make healthier lifestyle and dietary choices. At the Biologix Center for Optimum Health, the synergy of the world's most advanced testing and treatment technologies, combined with complementary therapies, is the core of our success in helping patients in ways that surpass their previous healthcare experiences. Discover the power of synergized therapeutics at the Biologix Center for Optimum Health. Visit biologixcenter.com to learn more.